Hello students, welcome to Madhavi Children Academy. Students, today we are discussing the topic is the ionic compound. Last time we have discussed the ionic compound, the sodium and chloride, magnesium and chlorides we have discussed. Today we are discussing the few new example based on the ionic compound. Okay, today we are discussing the topic is formation of magnesium oxide. Magnesium metal burn in oxygen to form magnesium oxide. When we are use the magnesium ribbon, these magnesium ribbons are burned in presence of gas flame, then magnesium ribbon magnesium ribbon burn in presence of gas flame, it forms magnesium oxide. Right, students? Okay, let's discuss. So how it will form, we will discuss briefly. Magnesium oxide is an ionic compound because the magnesium and oxygen, the magnesium outermost 2 electron, valence plus 2 charge, oxygen minus 2 charge. So plus 2 attracted to the minus 2 positive charge, plus 2 positive charge attract to the minus 2 negative charge, then the bond is formed between the positive and negative. So this is called as the ionic bond. Ionic bond means the bond formed between the two ions. Bond formed between the two ions, positive and negative ions, called as ionic bond. Right, students? So magnesium atomic number 12, electron configuration 282. Magnesium metal lost outermost 2 electron to form magnesium ion. Why it lost electron? Magnesium metal lost its electron because outermost it stabilized the outermost 8 electrons. Look at here, students. Magnesium, the content 282 electron. It means outermost 2 electron, so it is unstable. Right, students? Okay. When it lost, minus sign means it lost 2 electrons. Then finally retain the magnesium atom here, the 2 magnesium atom here, the 2 8 electron. Look at here, students. 2 and 8 electrons are present here. Magnesium ion contain 2 and 8 electrons. When it lost electrons, it turns into 2 and 8 electrons. Oxygen atomic number 8, its electron configuration 2 6. Oxygen accepts 2 electrons from magnesium to form oxide. Oxygen which is accepting the 2 electron from magnesium to form oxide. Why oxygen accept electron? Oxygen accept electron because it outermost attain the 8 electrons. Right. Look at here. Oxygen atom outermost 1 2 3 4 5 6 dots. These 6 dots are nothing but the 6 electrons. 6 electrons. Right. Okay. The 2 6 outer electron configuration 2 and 6. When it accept, here the plus sign means the 2 electrons are adding into the oxygen atom. When 2 electrons are adding into the oxygen atom, then it turns into oxide ion. Look at here, outermost 8 electron, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 electrons. So 2 electrons are added means here the plus 6 plus 2, this is turns into 8. Right, students? 6 plus 2 turns into 8. So oxygen accepting 2 electrons to form oxide ions. Understood, students? Okay. Magnesium atom transfer its outermost 2 electron to oxygen to form magnesium ion. Oxygen accept electron from magnesium to form oxide ion, right? So magnesium ion, oxide ion react with each other because magnesium ion is the positive charge, oxide ion is the negative charge. So positive charge, negative charge are react with each other to form magnesium oxide. Right, to form magnesium oxide. So ionic bond exists between the magnesium oxide. Ionic bonds are exist between the magnesium oxide. So magnesium 282 electron, oxygen 26. So 2 electrons are moved towards oxygen, then it becomes 2 8. 8 electrons are added. When it accept 2 electron means 6 plus 2, that is 2 8. Outermost 8 electrons, magnesium outermost 8 electron, oxygen outermost 8 electron. So magnesium oxygens are combined to form magnesium oxide. This is the magnesium oxide. Questions. So ionic bonds are exist means, look at here, the plus 2 charge of magnesium ion, minus 2 charge of oxide ion. So plus 2 charge of magnesium ion attracted to the negative charge of minus ion, both are attract with each other to form magnesium oxide. Right students? Okay. Next is the ionic compound. The ionic compound of ionic bond, any compound, either the A and B, both are attract with each other through the positive and negative charge. Both are attracted through the positive and negative charge. So this bond we call as the ionic bond. Ionic bond. Right students? So ionic bond are known as the ionic compounds. The compound of ionic bond called as the ionic compounds. In this ionic compound, electron transfer from one metal to another metal atom. So in this ionic compound, electrons are transferred from one metal atom to the another metal atoms. Right. So here electron transfer from the metal atom to non-metals. Metal like sodium, potassium, magnesium, etc. metals. Non-metals, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Sodium positive charge attracted to the chlorine negative charge. Metal non-metal between them attain the ionic attractions. Potassium positive charge, bromine negative charge. Metal non-metal between that and the ionic charges. Magnesium positive charge, ionic, iodine negative charge. The both positive and negative between that and the ionic bond. Right students? So this is we call it the ionic compound. The ionic compounds, the ionic bond form, the compound is from the ionic bond called as the ionic compounds. Right students? So in this ionic compound, the electrons are transferred from metal. Metal always lose electrons from metal to non-metals. Right? Electrons are always transferred metal to non-metal. Metal to non-metals. Right students? These ionic compounds are made by the positively charged cation and negative charged anions. Already I told you, the positive charged cations, sodium ion, negatively charged anions, chloride ions. Positive charge, negative charge, both are attracted with each other. Positive charge attracted to the negative chloride attracted to the positive sodium ion. Both are positive and negative charge are attracted here. So ionic compound consists ions, not molecules or not atom. Ionic compounds consist only ions. It consists only ions. Right friends? So ionic compound also known as the electrovalent compound. Ionic compounds are also known as the electrovalent compound because the another name ionic compound, another name is electrovalent. Right friends? Okay. So look at here, the some names I mentioned here. The sodium, so sodium chloride NaCl, the positive charge sodium, negative charge chloride. Potassium chloride, positive charge potassium, negative charge chloride ion. Ammonium chloride NH4 plus Cl minus. Magnesium chloride Mg plus 2 Cl minus. Calcium chloride Ca plus 2 Cl minus. Sodium oxide Na plus O minus. Magnesium oxide Mg plus O2 minus. Calcium oxide calcium plus oxygen minus. So all are the positive charge pieces are the metal, negative charge pieces are the non-metal. Both are attracted through the ion, through the charge. Positive and negative charge attract through the charge to form ionic compounds. Right students? So remaining all this all are ionic compound between aluminum oxide or sodium hydroxide, copper and sulfate, etc. Right, students? Okay, students, this is a today topic. If you find any doubt, then ask me, students. Thank you so much.